I'm Shawn Senko, agronomy specialist with the Canola Council of Canada. When measuring losses out the back of the combine, you'll get the most accurate reading by dropping all residue in a windrow and having a drop pan that is the same width as the discharge area. Dropping straw is more accurate than spreading straw because when you spread across the width of the entire spread, different densities spread in different amounts, so your canola is not going to be even across the width of the spread. So you're going to be guessing where the best place to put the pan is. Also, when you're dropping straw, a pan is the full width of the discharge is more accurate as the losses aren't even right across the entire discharge width of the combine. Each combine will be different, but most new combines make it fairly easy to disengage the chopper and spreader. With the spreader engaged, it still makes sense to measure loss, but note that measurements may not be as accurate.